Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to save an Excel file. So here on the title bar you can see the default file name is book 1. Now for saving the file I will click on file, a dialog box will open, then click on save. Then from the computer browse the location where you want to save. So by default its location is documents. Now I want to change its location to downloads. I will select the downloads folder. Now my location is this PC downloads folder. By default, the Excel workbook name was book 1. Now I am changing the name. Name is changed to ABC. Then after typing the name, click on save. The Excel workbook is saved with the name ABC. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, share with your friends and press the bell icon for latest updates.